Hi, friends. I have two books that I want to read to you guys this week. They're kind of short, so I want to read them both. They're both about body parts. And the first one is called I Got the Rhythm. And when we read this in class next week, we are going to use some rhythm sticks when we read it. So that'll be a lot of fun. So this girl's got some rhythm. There she is with her mom. Looks like they're going down a slide. I thought of a rhythm in my mind. Think, think. I heard the rhythm with my ears. Beat, beat. I looked at the rhythm with my eyes. Blink, blink. I smelled the rhythm with my nose. Sniff, sniff. I sang the rhythm with my mouth. Ooh la la. I'm not great at singing, but I try and it's fun. I caught the rhythm with my hands. Everybody clap with me. Clap, clap. I kept the rhythm with my fingers. Snap, snap. I shook a rhythm with my hips. Shake, shake. I felt a rhythm with my knees. Knock, knock. I walked the rhythm with my feet. Stomp, stomp. I tapped the rhythm with my toes. Tap, tap. I danced to the rhythm of a drum. Beat, bop. I clapped and snapped. I tipped and tapped. I popped and locked. I hipped and hopped. Beat, bop, bling, bang, boom, boom, boom. Oh, they're having a parade with all of the people with the rhythm. Boom box, beat bop, kaboom, kaboom. I got the rhythm, and you can too. The end. Oh, that was a good one. She thought in her mind. She saw it. She heard it. She smelled it. She sang it. She snapped it. She clapped it. She wiggled it. She stomped it. She had the rhythm. She locked and bopped. She did all of those things. Those were all using her body parts. So I've got another book about body parts, and it's kind of short too. And it's called Mommy, Carry Me, Please. Now, I'm sending everybody one animal, so when we read this book in class, I want you to show us your animal and take your turn with your animal. All right? All right, Mommy, carry me, please. Oh, Mommy Hippo, carry me, please. On your back to keep me dry. Where's your back? Yeah, look at my friends touching their back. Good job. Mommy Crocodile, carry me, please. On your teeth. Just for fun. I would not want a crocodile to carry me on its teeth. Mommy Penguin, carry me, please, on your feet to keep me warm. definitely looks cold there. It's not cold where I am. Okay, now this is called a lemur. It's a different kind of animal. And it says, Mommy lemur, carry me, please, next to your tummy, all fluffy and cozy. Yeah, where's your tummy? That's right. Mommy kangaroo, carry me, please, safe and snug, inside your pouch. Ooh, this is like a tiger promise right here. Mommy tiger, carry me, please, in your mouth to keep me safe. Oh my goodness. I don't think I would want to be carried in a mouth, but that is how a tiger can carry its little cub. Mommy monkey, carry me, please, on your tail as we play in the trees. Now, we don't have a tail, but the monkey does, and most dogs do. Cats do. Mommy beaver, carry me, please, on your head to cross the water. Oh, my dog keeps barking. Do you hear her? Mommy koala, carry me, please, around your neck. That's right. To the top of the tree. Mommy spider, carry me, please, on your body as you weave your web. Wow, that spider would be very busy carrying her babies and weaving a web. Mommy, carry me, please. Oh, yes, carry me, please. And hug me in your arms. That's right, the mommy hugs right there in the arms. And that's the end. All right, so those were two kind of short books about body parts. And we learned about body parts this last week, too, with painting, right? Okay, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.